Ooh. What did the YouTube see, boy? Let's go back with another reaction video. Today, can react to Lil Goth, Lil Switchblade, produced by Young Taylor. Lil Goth is AKA Blurry J, bro. Shout out to Blurry for sending a couple of y'all that came on through to join the crew. We don't have any snacks, but we do have drinks. Not alcohol, because you might not be legal yet. So let's get straight. It's a straight video. Okay, get the handy dandy turtle bitches, bro. Let's get it. Okay. VHS. What year? 2017. July 4th, 4:30 p.m. Okay.
He's fucking insane. You know what the definition of insanity is?
Taylor about to fucking flex.
Yes, it's the inability to relate to another human being. It's the inability to love.
It's in your eyes, it's in your eyes. On your mind, saw you looking at me, baby. I'm a switchblade, I'ma switch up any minute on you. It's in your eyes, it's in your eyes. On your mind, saw you looking at me, baby. I'm a switchblade, I'ma switch up any minute on you. Look at mine, no surprise.
She don't sit down somewhere.
I'm in your mind, no surprise. Knocking at your front door, you peek through the window. I went through the back door, you told me it's over. Baby in the backseat, she be popping Xannies, I be taking natties. Oh, baby in the backseat, she be popping Xannies, I be taking natties. Oh.
So now I'm crazy because you just don't love me, right? Is that the point?
No, wrong. You're not crazy. You love me. That's the sweet rule.
But I don't. I hate you.
It's in your eyes, it's in your eyes. On your mind, saw you.
Yo, she said she hate him.
Baby, I'm a switchblade, I'ma switch up any minute on you. It's in your eyes, it's in your eyes. On your mind, saw you looking at me, baby. I'm a switchblade, I'ma switch up any minute on you. Look at mine, no surprise. I'm in your mind, no surprise. Take a couple hits though, feel like I'm an angel. Why you always bitch though? Oh, it's in your eyes, it's in your eyes. On your mind, saw you looking at me, baby. I'm a switchblade, I'ma switch up any minute on you. It's in your eyes, it's in your eyes. On your mind, saw you looking at me, baby. I'm a switchblade, I'ma switch up any minute on you.
Okay. Okay. From what I got from this track, it seems like the couple. I don't want to say like an abusive somewhat of an abusive relationship. Like not I don't think beating, but I think like verbally. I think this song was about like couples going through toxic relationships. Like people always bring you down in a relationship when you're supposed to help each other, bro. It's teamwork. Teamwork make the dream work. But they they really weren't seeing eye to eye. But they're staying in this relationship for some reason. I didn't really get the reason why. But when they really should just break up. That's just the gist of what I got. I may be completely wrong. I'm sorry if I am. But that's just the way I absorbed it. Ooh, big word. Okay, absorbed. But this is a dope track. The freaking video was dope as fuck. I really like the VHS style. The VHS style. I said thigh or something like that. I'm sorry. It's early in the morning, and I'm getting these videos done. But if you did enjoy, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you do have any other reaction videos for me, leave them in the comment section. I read every single comment. Now we'll get to yours when I can, bro.